Alright, hello. Welcome to my tutorial on how to set up hlss and get it to work. There is a tutorial on the hlss website, however, people still have problems with it, which shouldn't happen. So first, what you're going to have to do is you're going to open up your browser, whether it be Internet Explorer or Firefox. Go to Google, type in HLSS, and hit the first link right here. And go to right here in the left hand side, hit setup HLSS and go Counter-Strike source. And right now you're gonna have to check your CFG folder in your C-Strike folder to see if you have a file in there. And so, you know, go to your computer, my computer obviously, go to the drive you installed it in. I put it in my G drive. You go to Program Files. You go to Steam. Sometimes it'll be Valve. Steam Apps. Your account name. Counter-Strike source. And then C-Strike. And then there's going to be a folder called CFG right here. Click that. And you should have this file in here called autoexec.cfg. And if you don't have that, then you're going to have to download it by clicking this link right here. And then you're gonna just save that to your desktop and then drag it into the here and just drop it, and then you should be fine. I already have it there, so I'm not gonna do that. And so once you're done that, you're gonna have to go to the download section and actually download HLSS and this DB power amp, and for my tutorial, download Goldwave. So yeah, once you just download and install those, right, and then what you're gonna do after that is basically you're gonna have to go into your in-game and then put in this command in the console. I can't show you this because of the screen recorder, but you open up Counter-Strike source, you go to options, and this is if you don't have the console. You go to options and then keyboard, and then hit advanced, and it should be this little box that says enable developers console, and you hit that, and then you just hit your tilde key, which is the squiggly line next to the one which looks something like this, like that, and then that'll bring you to the console. And then once you're in the console, you're just going to type this bind del toggle wave. And what that does is it makes it so that delete turns your music on and off. And then, yeah, just hit enter and it should be fine. And then once you're done that, you're going to have to convert your music into an MP3. So, obviously get an MP3, you know, whatever you like, and then go to where you installed HLSS. And just, well, actually, you're going to convert it using the DB converter that's there in the download section. Right here. Second one right there. And then, so yeah, you go to that. And then you open that up. And then you're going to have to select which MP3 you want to convert into a wave. And so let's go with, let's see here. Let's go with, well, I already have it converted, but let's go with Reptilia by the Strokes. So you just hit open and wait for that. Just a second here. Alright. And so, okay, it opened up too. That's fantastic. Alright, here are the settings that you want. You want to set converting to be a wave. You want to take this uncompressed. And you want this first option to be at 16-bit, the one under that to be at 11. And sometimes it'll say 11,025, and you just select that one. And so most people put 8, which isn't right, because what that usually does, it'll make your music go 2 times faster than it should, and it'll sound like Alvin and the Chipmunks. Basically, and for channels, you just want one mono, just like that. And then this right here, you can set to where you want the wave to be located after you're done converting it. And so, as you can see, I've already put it in a folder that's on my desktop right here. And so once you got all that done, you just hit convert. I already have it there, so I'm just going to overwrite it. And you're just going to hit finish. And then once that's done, you're going to open up hlss. And then you're going to basically, hit this cross key right here. And then you're going to look for the song you just converted into a wave. So you're looking for the wave file. And I've already have all these songs converted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for my Reptilia one that's already converted right here. I think. Edit. Yeah, this is it. And so, yeah, so once you find the song, you select it, it'll be there, and then you just select the shortcut key that you want it to be on. And I've set that to 1 on my numpad just right now. And then you just want to play music in game. After that, see how it sounds. Then you're just gonna hit the thumbs up button, go in game, hit the key, which would be 1 on my numpad, and then hit delete, and then your song should play. Now, if it does play, everything sounds like it plays right, but it just has too much volume or too much bass, and it doesn't, sound as best as it could. That's what the third program in the download section is for, Goldwave. And that lowers the volume, takes away some of the bass, makes it sound a lot better. And I'm going to show you some settings that'll make it sound a lot better. Just close out, we don't need it. And you're going to hit open, look for that wave file we just converted, so Reptilia, which would be somewhere around here. Oh wait, right here, right there. And it'll have a and if it didn't sound that great, it'll be really huge, and we don't want that, or it'll sound terrible. So you go into Effect, Filter, and then Equalizer. And then you're going to change this master database to -12. You're going to set this one to -9, -9, -6, and then the rest to -1. So you can just copy and paste that like this. And then just hit OK. And then wait for that to be done. And then you should have that, and it'll sound a lot better now. And then while you're doing all this, though, if you've hit the thumbs up button, then you're going to want to hit the thumbs down button, otherwise you're not going to be able to edit it. And when you edit it, you can change, what song is on that key, or what key plays that song. And basically, if you want to do the Goldwave thing in-game, you're going to have to hit the thumbs down button, and then, do all that, and then hit the thumbs up button, and then you should be fine. And that is all you have to do. And once again, this is my first tutorial, so, take it easy on me. And if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. And thanks for watching.